What's up everybody, coming back at you with another Berserk Garage weekly video. In this week's edition, you know, people talk, they say they know how to do burnouts, they say they know how to make smoke. I'm here to give you the lesson on ultimate burnout performance. Let's do it. First thing you want to do, open up the spark plug well. Now, a lot of people think smoke just comes from the tires when you do a burnout. That's just a myth. That's what the big banks have been telling us for years. They don't want us to know that stuff. So, what you want to do is take spark out. Once you get the spark plug out, pour a little bit of oil in there. We've got a 4-cylinder little Nissan here, so you know, they're smoky engines anyway, so no one's going to ask what the deal is. But, spark plug out, little lid full of oil in there, maybe 2-3 cylinders. Hell, we're going to go 4 for you guys today. And then we'll show you what's up next. Alright guys, now when you're doing this, preferably high grade oil, fully synthetic. Lighter the better, thinner the better. Take a cap full of that, straight in there.
We've got another.
We've got another. We're getting crazy today folks.
We're getting crazy.
Straight in there. That's 1 cylinder done. Cylinder 2, about to get its daily dose of fresh oil. That's the stuff. Cylinder 3, let's not forget to give this one some love, eh? And then when you're done that, just tighten them back up. Now this shouldn't be too complicated in this aspect. Don't pour like a litre of oil in each cylinder. You'll hydrolock it and you'll screw this whole thing up. You'll bend your rods and stuff. Hell, we might even do that, but let's just see what happens, eh? Next step in the ultimate burnout video is you want to drench that sucker in oil. I mean, pour half of that on there, mate. We ain't need to mess around. Now, the idea of this is when the oil gets hot, it burns, it cooks. Massive smoke screen. And just again, share the love all over that tire there. Oh, that's a lot. As you can see, this is absolutely saturated. Now, once this gets up to speed, if everything goes to plan, we're going to be making plumes. Alright everybody, it's time. You might want to call your parents, you might want to call your friends, tell them sit down and watch this because we're making history. Send it! She doesn't want to start. Give us some love. Oh, there we go. He's bulling himself. One last tip everybody, chock the wheels. As you can see, our first run didn't go to plan. Send it! We're getting a single pegger happening! Alright guys, we failed. Didn't work as planned. The rear just kept sliding forward. This thing's got way more grunt than we expected. But, whatever. Another burnout. Send it. Bloomers, baby! Woo! Alright, that worked. That worked. A bit of Hiroshima going on around these parts. Guess we should have started on an uphill, but as you can see, it was a complete success. Bit of belts hanging off. Engine's a bit smoky. Everything's a bit smoky. Oh, sticks, but that's it. Just like, share, subscribe. We're trying. Good day. Alright guys, that was a bit of a fail, I know, but, hear that? That's the belts. But anyway, that was a bit of a fail. You know, we could do better, and we will do better, we promise. You know, we try to bring you the content you want to see, and we stuffed up. Next week though, next week you better be ready. Like, share, and subscribe. Berserk Garage, hashtag Burnout viral. He's letting it go. Oh, single beggar action. We got twins again. Oh, nasty, no traction, boys. You suck.